If you love a good chocolate sheet cake, boy, do I have a recipe for you. This is my mom's chocolate sheet cake, only I've messed with it just a little bit, so now it's a chocolate coffee sheet cake. You pour the icing over the cake as soon as it comes out of the oven, and then the whole thing sets, and then you slice and enjoy. It's moist, it's dense, it's a little fudgy. It's kind of a cross between a brownie and a chocolate cake. This is how you make it, and the recipe is on tkfoodie.com. To make the super easy cake, I melt together some butter, some coffee, and cocoa powder, and as soon as it comes to a simmer, I add it to my dry ingredients. I also beat in some oil, some buttermilk, some eggs, and a really good vanilla. Whisk that together and then pour the batter into a cake pan. Let it bake while you make the icing, which is also butter, cocoa powder, a little bit of milk, and then you also add in some powdered sugar. Give it a good mix and pour it over the hot cake right out of the oven. Let it cool, let it set, dig in, and it is absolutely fabulous.